Hey guys, this is James here and welcome to a new Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we're going to see how you can use animated emojis, that is AI driven animated emojis in Adobe Premiere Pro very easily just by one click. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Nowadays most of the people you see on internet use captions and they use animated emojis on top of their captions to elevate their reels or shorts. So how you can do that easily in Adobe Premiere Pro? There is a plugin named Brevity that will help you to generate AI-driven emojis, that is animated images inside Adobe Premiere Pro very easily. First, you have to click the first link in the description below and then you can download the Brevity plugin. If you want to try Brevity, then you can just click on the first link in the description below and you'll get 7 days free trial. After downloading the plugin, install it and then fire up Adobe Premiere Pro and then go to Window, then extension, and here you will see Brevity and Brevity Media Browser. Both plugin will come together if you just install the Brevity plugin. So click on Brevity plugin and it will open a new panel. You have to sign in using your credential there, and there you'll see two different tabs. One is AutoCAD and the other one is captions. So in order to generate emojis, we have to make caption first. So just make an out point and an in point here on your timeline and then just click on captions. From here you can make your caption. I'll skip that part because I have already made a separate tutorial on this topic, so I'll put a link in the description if you want to learn more about generating the caption using Brevity. So here our caption making process have been done and now we can start adding the emojis, right? So if I just play it back with the caption only.
Our planet is heating up. Oceans are rising. Storms are...
The caption are looking very good. Now you can further modify it and make it more engaging just by adding the animated emojis. How you can add the emojis? You can manually add emojis or you can use the AI to suggest the emojis for you automatically, right? First, let's see how we can add the emojis manually. Suppose I want to add emojis here on this line, right? So if I go to here on this media tool and then if I just make a selection of this section, it will automatically open the Brevity media browser. You know, when you have installed Brevity plugin, it has installed the Brevity media browser automatically with that plugin. So you don't need to download and install Brevity media browser separately. It will come with the Brevity plugin. So once you select a phrase or any sentence, it will select a keyword and then it will search for different media for that keyword, right? So as we have selected our planet is heating up, it has selected the heating as a keyword and it has searched for that keyword, right? You can go to different section to see different options. If you want to add videos, you can go to the video section, it will suggest the videos. For now we are going to add emojis, so we'll go to emojis and from here you will see different provider. You can use Google, you can use Google animated emojis, you can use Apple emojis, you can use Twitter, Facebook. So for that query we are not getting any heating emojis, right? So what we can do, we can use another phrase like planet. So if we search for that keyword, it will show the emojis for that particular keyword, right? So if I go to Google, you can see here is a planet emoji, or if I go to Apple, we can also get another one. So once you select any emojis, you can just click it and then you can just click on continue. It will open another window. From here you can select where you want to place that emoji. Suppose I want to place that emojis here on the caption relative and above the caption, and you can also add in animation and out animation for that emoji. Suppose I want to have a intro animation, so if I go to intro and click here, then I can just click slide and then slide up, and here I can select a curve. Suppose I'm selecting this one. I'll keep intensity and speed on their default value, and from the outro I'll select maybe slide and then slide down. Again I can select another is in. If I click on insert media, it will add the media here on our timeline, right? So if I play it back,
Our planet is heating up.
so you can see here is our emojis. It is just coming on top of our caption. You can further modify the position of the emojis if you want, or you can just select the emojis and from here you can change maybe the position, or you can change the animation. Suppose I want to have a constant animation, right? So if I just select that one, and from the constant, if I select maybe movement and then oscillate, and from here the position, I'll just select maybe caption relative below captions, and if I select update media, it will update the settings. Right now if I play it back,
Our planet is heating up.
so here you can see the emoji has an intro animation. So if I play it back, it is just coming from the below, and then it will have a oscillated constant animation. So if I play and show you,
Planet is
it is not staying at the same position, it is oscillating, right? And again we have an outro animation. So that is the manual way to add animated emojis on your videos. Suppose you don't have time and you want to use the AI to suggest some emojis for you. How you can do that? Go to at the beginning, and then you can just go to here on the media tool, and there you can select suggest media. So if you click here, it will open another window. From here you can choose which media item you want to import. For my video, I want to import emojis, and from here I'll just select Google, and the position I'll select caption relative and below caption. And here you can select additional instructions. Suppose if you want to make the animation funny, or if you have any further requirement, then you can ask AI to do that job for you. So I'll just write serious, and from the intro I'll select the animation we have selected before, which is slide up and then exponential, and outro I'll select slide down and ease in. And for the constant I'll just select movement and oscillate. And if I click generate, then it will use AI to suggest some emojis for us, right? So you can see they have suggested few emojis for us. Now you can take your time to review the emojis one by one, or you can use input pending to import all the emojis at once. So if I want to add it manually, I can click here, and then I can manually review it, and then I can import it, right? Then it will import that emojis. Or what I can do, I can go here, and if I click import pending, it will download all the emojis for us automatically. So it takes less time, right? So I'll just delete this one. So it has done importing all the emojis and placed it on our timeline, applied the intro animation, outro animation, and it has also applied a constant animation on top of that emoji. So if I played back the final video,
Our planet is heating up. Oceans are rising. Storms are intensifying. And wildfires are spreading faster than ever. Glaciers melt, habitats vanish, and millions risk losing their homes. It's not just about tomorrow. It's happening right now. We still have time. Simple steps like reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting green initiatives can make a difference. Your action matters. Start small, act now. Together, we can slow climate change.
so that's all. That is how you can use Brevity plugin to import animated emojis in Adobe Premiere Pro just by one click. If you want to try Brevity, then you can just click on the first link in the description below, and you'll get 7 days free trial. If you really like that plugin, then you can purchase their subscription, and their subscription is affordable. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, want to learn video editing or Adobe Premiere Pro, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more awesome video just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.